Hello, third grade, and welcome to Social Studies. We're going to continue looking at types of maps. Today we're going to look at longitude and latitude. Make sure that you are on this page following along with me. Now, latitude is the distance of a place north or south of the equator. They are the lines going from side to side on the map below. Longitude is the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. They are the lines going up and down on the map. So we have longitude going up and down. I'm actually going to highlight this in a different color. And latitude going from side to side. Longitude and latitude. Latitude is always written first, and we can write them in degrees. So in our map, you can see that there are numbers on the top and there are numbers on the side. That is telling us the degrees of the longitude and latitudinal lines. So this is kind of like a grid. If I want to find where Indiana is, see it right here, I can find where a longitudinal and a latitudinal line cross, and that will give me the degrees. So this is on 40 degrees, and then between 80 and 90 is 85. So go ahead and write this out. So Indiana, actually I'll use yellow. Indiana is about 85 degrees south. Sorry, 85 degrees east and 40 degrees north. I know that it is north because I am going up higher in our latitudinal lines, and I know that it is east because I am going to the right. Remember, it is north, south, east, and west. Let's find the states that are found at these different degrees. Leave this line on here if you already have it. Which state is found at 40 degrees north and 90 degrees west? So first I have to find 90 degrees west and 40 degrees north. Which state is that? IL. That stands for Illinois. Type in Illinois. Which state is found 45 degrees north and 85 degrees west? It's actually the one we just found. That is Indiana. Indiana. Which state is found 45 degrees north and 95 degrees west? So that would be on this side, 95. So that would be, looks like Missouri. Missouri. Now we need to write out the coordinates for the state of Wisconsin. So let's find where Wisconsin is. Wisconsin is right here. And it looks like it is 90 degrees north and 45 degrees west. 90 degrees north and 45 degrees west. And finally, Nebraska. Nebraska is right here. And Nebraska is 100 degrees west and 40 degrees north. Sorry, 100 degrees north and 40 degrees. Oh, I did have it the right way. I mixed up these other ones, sorry. So we had 45 degrees north and 90 degrees west. Now finally for Nebraska, Nebraska's right here, we had 100 degrees west and 40 degrees north. Once you're finished filling these out, you are done with our social studies for today. Keep up the hard work.